Good morning, grade 2. How are you? Today we are going to learn new words of Unit 17. So get out your Oxford Discovery Student Book and open page 166 and 167. Our big question here is, how do we make art? Before we answer this question, I want you to look at this picture. What can you see here? We can see many children here. What are they doing? They are making different shapes using different colors: red, yellow, blue, orange. So they are making art. So now we understand from this picture that we will learn about art in these two units, 17 and 18. Now let's move to the words. Today is Wednesday, April 22, 2020. Here, let's read the words together. Number 1, crescent, 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 crescent. 2, star, star, star. 3, spiral, 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 spiral. 4, oval, oval, oval. 5, straight, straight, straight. 6, nature, nature, nature. 7, collage, collage, collage. 8, sculpture, sculpture, sculpture. 9, patter, patter, patter. 10, photograph, photograph, photograph. 11, origami, origami, origami. 12, drawing, drawing, drawing. 13, mobile, mobile, mobile. 14, oil painting, oil painting, oil painting. 15, mosaic, mosaic, mosaic. Now after we read all the words, the 15 words, let's move to the meaning of the words. And before we know the meaning of the words, let's have a look on the kinds of the words. Noun, verbs, adjectives or adverbs. A word of people, animals, things or places is a noun, like lifeguard, tiger, girl, jar, or school. All of these words are called nouns. Why? Because all of these words are people, animals, things or places. Number 2, verbs. Verbs means actions, something we can do with. So verbs means that something we can do with, like play, study, take turns, eat, drink. Adjectives, descriptive word, like greedy, happy, sad, big, fast. What's the meaning of adjective? It's a word that describes the noun. Like the girl is polite. Polite here is an adjective because it describes the noun girl. Adverb, a word that describes the verb, like quickly or slowly. The old man walks slowly. The word slowly here describes the action walks, describes how the man walks. That's why it's an adverb, because it describes the verb, or it describes the verb walks. Now after we learn the kinds of the words, let's move to the meaning of the words. The first word is crescent. What's the meaning of crescent? Crescent is a noun and its meaning is a curved shape that is white in the middle and pointed at each end, like the shape. We can see the crescent in the sky. Correct? Yes. Can we put crescent in a sentence? Yes, of course. I like the moon when it is crescent. Like me. I like the moon when it is crescent. Don't forget to start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Number 2. Star. Star. Star here can be a noun and can be an adjective. When I say there is a star in the sky, so star here is a noun. But if I say that actor or that singer is a star, so here I describe the actor or I describe the singer that he is a star. So star here is an adjective because it describes the noun or it describes the noun. Star, like that shape, and we can put it in a sentence. There are many bright stars in the sky. Number 3. Spiral. Spiral. Spiral here can be noun, can be an adjective. What's the meaning of spiral? A shape of curved line which winds around and around, like the shape. The sentence, I like to play with the spiral. You know the spiral? Yes, it's like a plastic toy. We can play with it. It can go up and down. And it winds around and around. Number 4. Oval. Oval. Oval is an adjective. What's the meaning of oval? A closed curve like an egg in shape. Can we put it in a sentence? Yes, of course. Eggs are oval in shape. Here, number 5. Straight. Straight. Straight here is an adjective. What's the meaning of straight? Straight means going in a direct line. Can we put straight in a sentence? Yes. Go straight to reach the school quickly. Go in a direct line. Now let's move to the other words. Number 6. Nature. Nature is a noun. What's the meaning of nature? All the plants, animals, and things that aren't made by people. All of these things are called nature. The sentence, we study art and nature. Start your sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Number 7, collage. Collage. Collage is a noun here. What's the meaning of it? It's the method or the way of making pictures by sticking pieces of colored paper or cloth onto a paper. So here, if we can cut small colorful paper and stick them together, so it will be a collage. And also if we cut small pieces of cloth and we stick them together beside each other, so it's called a collage. So my sentence here will be, a collage is an artistic image of colored pieces, or I made a collage by different colors. So what's the meaning of collage? Sticking pieces of colored paper or cloth onto a paper beside each other. Number 8, sculpture. 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 8, sculpture. Sculpture here is a noun. What's the meaning of sculpture? Is an art by shaping stone, wood, clay, or other materials. The art of creating sculpture. What's the meaning of that? When we make things like animals or people, even people, we can shape the stone or the wood or the clay and make sculpture using these materials. There is a horse sculpture in the garden. It's not real, but it's a sculpture. It's from the stone. Number 9, pattern. Pattern. Pattern, what's the meaning of pattern? It's a repeated shape. Look here. Yellow and green, yellow and green, yellow and green. So the colors are repeated here. That's why we can call this one as a pattern. The sentence, my dress has a pattern of circles and squares. Number 10, photograph. Photograph, what's the meaning of photograph? A picture by a camera. The sentence, I took a photograph of a wonderful butterfly. Now let's move to the last part of the words. Number 11, origami. Origami is a noun. What's the meaning of it? The craft of folding paper to make shapes of animals, people, or objects. I know that you can make different shapes using papers, correct? When you fold it, you can make boat, you can make like a doll, you can make a kite by folding the paper, correct? This one can call origami. You can call it origami. So origami is the craft of folding paper to make shapes, to make different shapes of animals, people, or things. My sentence here will be, my friend taught me how to make origami flower. Taught is the past form of the verb teach. Number 12, drawing. Drawing is a noun, and the meaning of it is the skill of drawing a picture using a pencil, not by camera. Photograph by camera. Drawing a picture using a pencil or a pen. What's the sentence? He is good at drawing. Okay, don't forget to start your sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Number 13, mobile. Mobile is an adjective. What's the meaning of mobile? Movable. Something that can move easily. It's not fixed in one place. Sentence, I bought a mobile toy for my baby. So the things that can move easily, it can't be fixed in one place, we can call it mobile. Number 14, oil painting. Oil painting is a noun also. A picture painted in oil paint, we can call it oil painting. My sentence will be, the artist draws oil painting of people. Number 15, mosaic. Mosaic is a picture made by placing or putting small pieces of glass or stones together. The glass or stones are colorful. So what's the meaning of mosaic? Mosaic, we can collect colorful pieces of glass or colorful pieces of stones, and we can put them together or place them together beside each other, and we can form mosaic or to form mosaic. So mosaic is a picture made by colors? No. By paper, sticking paper? No. By placing small pieces of colorful glass or stones together. What's the sentence? There is a colorful mosaic on the wall. Okay. Now let's move to the student book, page 168, to read the words and look at the picture after we understand the meaning of all the words and we put them in sentences. Crescent. Look at the picture. Crescent. Star. Spiral. Oval. Straight. Nature. collage, collage. Sculpture, sculpture. Pattern, pattern. Now, let's move to the exercise letter B. Circle the correct word. Look at the picture number 1. This is nature or spiral? It's not spiral, of course. It's nature. Plants. As I told you, the meaning of nature is everything around you, even people, things, plants, animals. So this one is nature. Number 2, round or oval? What do you think? Round, round. Number 3, this is a straight or star? Of course, straight. Number 4, this is plain or pattern? Pattern. Number 5, this is collage or sculpture? This is collage. Number 6, because the meaning of collage, we said that it's a picture by sticking pieces or colorful pieces beside each other. Number 6, crescent or round? It's crescent. Number 7, spiral or straight? Spiral. It went round and round. Number 8, painting or sculpture? Sculpture. Number 9, star or round? Star. Now let's move to page 174. Photograph, photograph, photograph. Origami, origami, origami. Drawing, drawing, drawing. Mobile, mobile, mobile. Oil painting, oil painting, oil painting. Mosaic, mosaic, mosaic. Number 1 here in exercise B, this is mosaic, of course, because there are many materials or many colorful materials here to form the mosaic. Number 2, this is camera. So what kind of art is it? Of course, I'll take photograph using the camera. Number 3, what kind of art is it? Origami, because these are colorful papers and I can fold them to make origami. Number 4, mobile. Number 5, drawing. Number 6, oil painting. Now, I hope that you understand the meaning of the words. Let's move to the workbook. Open page 146. Look at the instructions. Color the picture. Stars are green. Ovals are orange. Crescents are pink and spirals are blue. I want you to color the shapes like me. Color all the stars in green. Color all the ovals in orange. And color all the crescents in pink. Color all the spirals in blue. Now let's move to page 147. Write the words. Number 1, this is pattern, of course. Number 2, nature. Number 3, straight, like the ruler. Number 4, collage. Number 5, circle. Number 6, this part, corner. Letter C. Circle, true or false? Number 1, an egg is an oval. Of course, true. Number 2, a circle is a straight line. No, false. Number 3, a star is round. False. Number 4, all sculpture are big and made of wood. All sculptures are big and made of wood. False. It can be of clay, it can be of stones, and it can be big or small. Number 5, nature has living and non-living things in it. Yes, true. Number 6, a collage is made of one picture. False. Page 152. Match the words to the picture. Number 1, mobile. Number 2, oil painting. Number 3, origami. 4, photograph. 5, drawing. And 6, mosaic. Number 1, mobile. Which picture? Picture E. It's the toy of the baby. It's movable. It moves and moves. It can be fixed. It can be fixed. Number 2, oil painting. Oil painting. Of course, letter F. So make lines beside the numbers and write the correct letter. Number 3, origami. Which one? Letter B. Make a line and write letter B. 4, photograph. Yes, picture C. Number 5, drawing. Picture D. Excellent. Number 6, mosaic. Letter A. Excellent. B. Look at the picture and write the words. Number 1, photograph. He's taking a photograph of the flower. Number 2, she's using a materials to make mosaic. Excellent. This girl is using the pen or the pencil to draw. So this one is drawing. Now I hope that you understand the lesson very well. Thank you and goodbye. See you next time.